When you need that 5-minute wind down at the end of your day to calm down your system, this is for you. Let's begin in child's pose. So the knees can be as wide as you would like them to be, toes joined together, and then slowly walk the arms out, forehead down onto the mat below. Let's take 3 deep sighs, exhaling through the mouth, letting everything out. Inhale to begin. Lifting the forehead gently up off the mat and walk your fingertips over towards the right. Then releasing the head back down towards the earth. Breathing deeply into the left side of the body, filling up that left side of your rib cage. Every exhale sinks you deeper into the mat. 3 breaths here. Gently lift the head back up off the mat and walk the fingertips all the way over towards the left. Release the head back down towards the mat. And this time breathing deeply into the right side of the body, filling up the right side of the lungs. 3 breaths. Gently lift the head back up off the mat. Walk the fingertips back out into the center, and then gently walk the hands back underneath you. Swing the legs round to the front and lay yourself down onto your back, bringing the knees in towards the chest. Give yourself a nice big hug. You can rock from side to side, just letting the head go, feeling the spine gently massaging along the floor. And when you're ready, come to stillness. Lengthen the back of the neck by gently tucking the chin towards the chest. Feel the whole of your spine along the floor, shoulders away from the ears. Breathing deep into the belly, feeling the belly press against the thighs. Gently release the arms, take them out into a big T, and drop your knees over towards the right hand side. It does not matter how far they go. If it's more comfortable, you can prop a cushion or some blocks underneath your knees to give you a bit more support. And once you're there, breathe deep into the twist, aiming for your collarbones to keep facing up towards the sky. And then let yourself be heavy. On your next inhale, gently bring the knees back into the chest and drop them over towards the left hand side. Find that comfortable position, however it looks for you. Make yourself heavy and breathe here. Melting into that supportive ground beneath you. On your next inhale, knees come back into the chest. Give yourself one last hug. Bringing the body close into itself helps to make you feel a little bit calmer, helps to feel a little bit more comforted and grounded. And then slowly release the feet back down towards the earth. Hands down by your side and let the legs extend out in front of you. Take up as much space as you need. And we'll take those 3 deep sighs here. Inhale to begin. Let it go. Feel the weight of your body into the earth. Notice any last little bits of tension that you might be holding and let them go. Your muscles don't need to hold you anymore. The ground has you. Let it all release. Stay here for as long as you need to. If you'd like to come back to a seated position with me, just gently encourage a little bit of movement into the fingers and the toes, wrists and ankles. You can take a big stretch if that feels good. Fingertips up overhead, toes reaching in the opposite direction. And then maybe roll onto one side. Find that little fetal position. Take a few deep breaths here. Gently pushing into the floor to come up into a seated position, however that looks like for you. Take a few deep breaths. Observe how your mind is, how your breath is, how your body feels. Hopefully you feel a little bit calmer, a little bit more relaxed and back into your body, ready for a great night's sleep. Thank you so much for your time.